Web3 has many advantages, but there are still several restrictions that the ecosystem needs to overcome if it is to grow. In today's video, we will be learning about the limitations of Web3. We have already posted 2 videos about what is Web 3.0 and the importance of Web 3.0. If you have not watched them yet, click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen. Also, we will be posting a video about what is Metaverse soon. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button. And click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. Accessibility. Important Web3 capabilities, such as sign-in with Ethereum, are already freely used by anyone. However, many people still find the relative cost of transactions to be exorbitant. Due to high transaction costs, Web3 is less likely to be used in developing countries with lower levels of affluence. These issues are being resolved on Ethereum via Layer 2 scaling techniques and network updates. The technology is prepared, but in order to make Web3 widely accessible, Layer 2 adoption must increase. User experience. Web3 currently has a too high technical entry hurdle. Users need to be able to navigate confusing user interfaces, comprehend security issues, and comprehend sophisticated technical documents. This is being addressed by wallet providers in particular, although further development is required before Web3 is widely embraced. Education. In contrast to Web 2.0, Web3 presents new paradigms that call for acquiring new mental models. A similar push for education took place in the late 1990s as Web 1.0 gained popularity. Proponents of the Internet employed a variety of instructional strategies to teach the public, ranging from straightforward metaphors, the information highway, browsers, and web surfing, to television broadcasts. Web3 is not challenging, but it is unique. Its success depends on educational programs that inform Web 2 users of these Web3 principles. Through the Translation Program, which aims to translate crucial Ethereum content into many languages, Ethereum.org supports Web3 education. Centralized Infrastructure. The Web3 environment is still developing and changing quickly. Because of this, it presently mostly relies on centralized infrastructure, GitHub, Twitter, Discord, etc. Many Web3 businesses are scrambling to close these gaps, but creating dependable infrastructure takes time. A decentralized future. Web3 is a young and evolving ecosystem. Gavin would coin the term in 2014, but many of these ideas have only recently become a reality. In the last year alone, there has been a considerable surge in the interest in cryptocurrency, improvements to Layer 2 scaling solutions, massive experiments with new forms of governance, and revolutions in digital identity. We are only at the beginning of creating a better web with Web3, but as we continue to improve the infrastructure that will support it, the future of the web looks bright.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.